Hey guys, this is Alisha, and in today's video I'm going to give you this very fresh and daisy like summer makeup tutorial. And I have kept this look really fresh and simple, and yeah, summer is all about natural, fresh and sophisticated makeup. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so first of all, let's meet the new member on my face, this mosquito bite mark. And have you people ever felt the pain of a mosquito bite mark turning into a pimple? Yes, I am going through that only. So yeah, let's begin the makeup, and before beginning it, I need to moisturize my face, and for moisturizing, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Revitalift Micro Essence Serum. Now for the foundation, I'll use this Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade Nude Beige. So we are done with the foundation. Now I'll use this Lakme Rose Powder to set the foundation. तो हमारा बेस प्रॉपरली सेट हो चुका है. Now I'll use this Maybelline New York blush which is Peachy Sweetie in the shade Peachy Sweetie, and you have to go overboard with it क्योंकि ये बहुत ही natural summery look है, तो blush बहुत ही ज़्यादा crucial बात है. Now I'll be using the Nudes palette from Maybelline, and I'll be picking up the shade Brown Black to fill in my brows. And now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Yes, after a very long time, and I'm going to apply this Insta liner, Lakme Insta liner. And I'm going to apply a half eyeliner which is very much in trend and looks absolutely cute. Now I'll use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara to give volume to my lashes, and I'm going to apply 2-3 generous coats of it. And now I'll use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette which is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm going to pick this light pink shade to fill in the eyelid. Now I'll be picking up this purplish pink shade to brighten up and to add more color to the transition area. I'll be applying the same color onto my lower eyelid too. So we are done with the eye makeup, we are done with the base makeup. Now we'll apply this Master Chrome highlighter. And now the final thing, lipstick, and for that I'll be using this Miss Clear lip pencil cum lipstick. This is in the shade cadmium red. It is a red color, but once you apply it, it appears something like a pinkish red color, a cherry like red color, which I actually love and which I found perfect for this look. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found this little summer makeup tutorial helpful. And I'm not a pro at makeup, but if I can create a look like this, then you guys will definitely nail this look. So do recreate this look and tag me on Instagram and follow me there, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down your video requests, and please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.